You have salmon, firecracker bites. You got your salmon in there. You got your rice paper, your carrots, your cucumber, your jalapenos. Hi y'all, welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. I'm back at y'all with another great video, y'all. I've been all on TikTok and I've been on Facebook. I've been a little bit everywhere. And I came across the salmon firecracker bites, y'all. Y'all heard me. Firecracker salmon bites. So we're going to make it, y'all. I realized on my channel, y'all, that a lot of the food is fried. And so today, y'all, we're going to make something healthy. So yeah, it's the salmon firecracker bites, and this is everything you would need in order to make your salmon firecracker bites. Give me 1 second, let me get my rice paper. All right, so to make salmon and firecracker bites, of course you would need some type of rice paper. I got this from Walmart, y'all. In the, I forget what aisle it's called, like the international aisle or something like that. That's where all the Chinese stuff, the Mexican stuff, it's in that aisle at Walmart, and it was up at the top. Then I got some salmon, y'all. You need some salmon. And then I got some jalapenos here. I got some baby cucumbers. And I got some carrots. That will be the inside of our firecracker bite. And then this is just the seasoning I'll be using, y'all. I got lemon pepper, paprika. I got onion powder, garlic powder, a little Tony's Creole. And then I also got some vegetable oil because... yeah, we'll get to that later, where the vegetable oil come in. All right, y'all, so this is what you will need. So I already washed my salmon and I already patted it. Now, as y'all can see, my salmon still has the skin on it. And to be completely honest with you, I don't know how to cut the skin off. I don't even know if I have a knife sharp enough to take the skin off. I'm going to keep it 100 with y'all. But I got a trick for that. I never cut my skin off, and we don't eat the skin either. I'm going to show y'all how I do. So first thing we're going to do, y'all, is start off by seasoning our salmon. So we're just going to season the salmon, y'all. I'm going to go down with my my lemon pepper seasoning. And we're going to go down with a little bit of paprika. Just like that. And we're going to go down with some onion powder. Garlic powder. A little bit of Tony's. All right, give me 1 second. Let me grab one more thing. Then I have some olive oil. And I'm just going to drizzle a little bit on top, just like that. Then you want to just take it and just work it in, the oil. A little bit more. Just like that. Work it all in. This is what you want. And if it's thick like this, you go around the sides, get some of that seasoning, and just do like that. Alright, so there here, I got like a cookie sheet or whatever you want to call it. I have a wrapping foil. I'm just going to take my salmon and put it right on top. Just like this. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to check on it and see, you know, where we at. And then we'll take it from there. So I'm going to put the salmon in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. When I come back, we'll be checking on it, or it might be done. We'll see. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, our salmon is beautifully cooked. This is what you want. What I'm going to do now, y'all, is I'm going to go ahead and cut my salmon. Just like this, into little bites. Now, if you would like, you can go ahead and, if you like, you can go ahead and chop your salmon before you cook it. But me, I don't. And then, that's how I get the skin off too, y'all. Just cut it. And then, yeah, we're going to cut this one. Just like that. Because you want it to be into little cubes. You know, they're salmon bites. Alright, so we got our salmon chopped up. We got our rice paper. What you need to do is put your rice paper in some warm water. Just like that. And you want to give it 10 to... That's some minutes water. All right, you want to give it 10-15 minutes, y'all. All right, I'm going to get my rice paper. Shake off that excess water. Lay it down. We're going to get a chunk of salmon without the skin. We're going to place that. Then we're going to get a jalapeno, cucumber, and y'all can use whatever vegetables you want. You can use avocado. You can use whatever you want. I wish I would have thought about avocado in the store, but I didn't. So yeah, so I got my cucumber, jalapeno, and my carrot. And you just want to wrap it. 1 second. Just like that. Tuck them sides in. And you just want to wrap it. Just like that. And you just keep doing the same thing, y'all, until you're done. You go back in with your rice paper. Warm water, y'all. I use warm water. And I'm giving it about 10 to 15 seconds. All right. Actually, I'm going to grab another plate, y'all. I'm going to grab another plate to put them on when I'm done wrapping them. All right, now we got our other paper. Shake that water off. Get you another piece of salmon. And this is just how I do it, y'all. Where I don't get no skin. I don't cut the skin. I just do it like that. All right, got my salmon. I'm going to do this one a little different. Got my carrot, cucumber, jalapeno. Just like that. You just want to wrap it. Sides. Oh yeah, I wanted the jalapeno to be on the outside, y'all. That's why I did it differently from this one. Y'all see this one got the carrot on the outside. And this is all you're doing, y'all. This is all you're doing. Now, if you're really looking for a healthy snack, you stop here. You make them and then you just go ahead and eat them. Get you a little dipping sauce and you eat them. See, me, I need them a little crunchy. So that vegetable oil I told y'all, I'll tell y'all about earlier in the video. Yeah, I'm going to fry mine on each side for a couple of minutes just to give it a little crunch to it. So yeah. So we're going to let that soak for a couple of seconds. Again, you just want it to soak for about 10-15 seconds. Shake off that water. Place it down, and you're just doing the same thing. Get you a piece of salmon without the skin. Just like that. Got our carrots. Got a cucumber and a jalapeno. Just wrap it. Just like that. Tuck your sides in. This is all you're doing, y'all. You just keep doing this until you're done, y'all. So I'm going to keep on doing these. When I come back, y'all, we're going to be dropping them in the grease. Y'all. So as y'all see, I'm done with them all. And what I'm going to do now, I have some vegetable oil here that I've been having preheat. What we're going to do now is grab them and just, you want to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Probably not even that long. This rice paper is sticky, y'all. Once it gets wet, they all trying to stick together. So if you remember, don't stick them close to each other. Y'all see how they sticking? Don't stick them close to each other. We're going to see if we can fit all these bad boys. There we go. Okay. Hold on. All right, y'all, so don't do what I did. Don't overcrowd your skillet, y'all. I ain't never made this before. And as y'all can see, they're trying to like stick together, but it ain't no big deal. It's a minor to a major. You just break them up. But yeah, don't overcrowd your skillet like I did. I think I'm frying some damn chicken or something. You don't overcrowd the skillet then either. Alright, then I'm just gonna give them a flip. Okay. Alright, y'all, there you have it. We have salmon firecracker bites. You got your salmon in there. You got your rice paper, your carrots, your cucumber, your jalapenos. And then we're just going to dip ours in sweet and sour sauce, y'all. I figure with the sweet and sour, you get the sweet, you get the salty from the salmon, and you also get the hot from the jalapeno. So I just do sweet and sour sauce. You get this in the same hour as you get the rice paper. You can use any different sauce you want. The only thing I would say, y'all, when making these, when you put them in your skillet, as y'all seen, I tried to overcrowd the skillet. Do not do that. Just put like 3 or 4 in there, let that cook, and then pull it out. But hey, you know, you live and you learn. So yeah, this is it. This is a healthy meal, y'all. Again, do not fry it if you're on a health kick. You just leave it at that and just go ahead and enjoy. But yeah, salmon, and they got a little crunch on them, some of them. So yeah. All right, y'all. I wanted to thank y'all so much for tuning in today. It's been wonderful. I hope everybody's having a great day. If you're not having a great day, go have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll be back with another great video.